I would begin by saying that the last 8 to 10 days is when I was actively studying, but I have been passively studying for this certification since last year. What that means is I had the DevOps capstone project, right, which is deployed on AWS EKS, and building that project and, was obviously making me more experienced with Kubernetes. The course for my choice was from Code Cloud, highly recommend it. I went through this entire course, skipped a few lessons where I felt like, okay, I already know these concepts, as you can see, but overall, very solid course. Now, coming to that prerequisite point I made. So if you are new to DevOps and like platform engineering itself, and you're not confident with like Linux or containers, I would say, yeah, these are the prerequisites. So make sure you know Linux, you make sure you know containerization and containers, so how Docker works, and then a little bit about Kubernetes before you start your preparation about KCNA. Now, this roadmap is available on Code Cloud again. So this is the KCNA learning path, and I think they have nailed it here. The other resource that I used was the Tutorial Dojo's practice exams. So this is the 2025 edition. Again, I didn't go through all of them, but there are different kind of modes you can take these practice exams in. So there is the review mode that I took, and then you also have section-based practice exams. So these are tied to the domain. I usually take those as I am going through the course itself. And also it comes with the KCNA flashcards. So I would usually go through the flashcards every other day to make sure, I am familiar with the terms and different definitions. Now, talking about the project that I was mentioning, I have an entire playlist on YouTube if you want to get hands-on with Kubernetes. And this is an end-to-end project. So we start from the application itself, containerize it, and then we deploy it to a managed Kubernetes service that is AWS EKS. I'll make sure to link down this playlist, but this is the project itself that I built. And with that, the only other resource I would like to share is these awesome KCNA notes by Kevalia. Hopefully I'm not butchering his name, but these are amazing. You can go through these notes as you might be revising before the exam, and they really helped me. So shout out to you, Kevalia, and thank you for making these public.